Hello everyone, this is Rolin Hulaton of Cagayan National High School, the LIS admin. So for today, I'm going to show you how to update profiles of learners that are currently enrolled in the list of classes. Now, just make sure that once you're going to update the profile of learner, be sure that you have with you a copy of the NSO library of the different learners that are currently enrolled in your section. So for this video tutorial, I'm going to use the account of Sir Dexter Cabilas, one of the grade 7 advisor of our school. Now after filling in the username and the password, all you have to do is to click on sign in. And then let's wait for the next window to pop up. Now, once you are brought to the next window, all you have to do is to click on Master List. Now, you have here the list of the learners that are currently enrolled in this section. And we're just going to select one learner and then try to click on his profile. Then wait for the next window to pop up. Now, we have two important buttons here. The first button is the update button, and then the other is for more options button. Now we're going to select for the update button, and then it will bring us on the next window. Now you can see here the name of the guardian, and then the mother's maiden name of the learner together with his father. Now, if there are discrepancies on the name that are stated herein, which are not the same as that which is stated in the NSO library, all you have to do is to click on this specific name field and then start editing it. Likewise, you can also change the residence or update the residence of the learner, his religion, the ethnicities, and then the mother tongue or dialects which the learner is speaking in their home. Once you are done, all you have to do is to click on update. Now once you're going to click on update, take note that gives us a prompt saying learner is updated. So once you are done, all you have to do is to click on back to profile. And then a new window will pop up again. Now, if there is discrepancy on the old record and you need to change, all you have to do is to select on more options and then click on correction of basic profile. So this window will show, and then all you have to do is to compare the current data together with the data that is stated on the NSO library. Now take note that once the middle name of the learner is only a single letter, that is not being accepted in the system. Therefore, you're not going to enter that and then try to tick on this box, which means no middle name. Then once you are done, all you have to do is to click on continue. And then a message will say form validation failed because there are no changes that is detected. So this is just a video tutorial on how to change or update the learner of a certain student. So we're just going to click on cancel. Now once you are finished updating the profile of the learner, next is we're going to check whether there are requests that are being made which will be approved by the school head. So if we're going to click on data corrections and then change requests, You can see it here that there are many requests that is waiting for approval by either the school head or the LIS admin of the school. Now, to be able to view the profile of the student that needs approval, all you have to do is to click on view, and this window will pop up bearing a change sequence number that is being requested. And then take note that the level wherein this will be approved is to be approved by the school head, and this was requested by no other than the class advisor. So this is only a video tutorial on how to update the record of a certain learner. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to post another video in the near future. Thank you for watching.